Telegram allows users to schedule a message which can be sent at a specific time. Before we proceed, make sure you subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Let's get started and keep watching till the end. Open Telegram app on your device. Now open the chat in which you want to schedule a message. Type the message that you want to schedule. Tap and hold the send button for 2 seconds. From the context menu, select schedule message option and the app will prompt you to select the date and time. Scroll to your preferred date and time. Tap send on date and add time button. After this, the message will be scheduled and it will go on the time scheduled. You can view the scheduled messages by tapping on the calendar icon in the message panel. You can also edit, delete or reschedule the message in the scheduled messages interface. And that's it. You can now relax and let Telegram to handle it. Thank you for watching.